Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I haven't filmed anything for a while, but I think today is a perfect day to film something, and we have actually moved in our new apartment just today, like basically 2 hours ago. And actually it's just me at the moment, and my boyfriend is still at university, so yeah, it's just me. I am now able to move in this apartment and to start figuring out how to get all the furniture here. So I just thought I could show you how it looks here and how it's going to look our new home, and tell you a little bit more about how we are planning to decorate it, and tell you just a little bit more about furniture. But okay, let's go and I will show you how it looks around here. So this is our living room and we have actually managed to get a couch already, and actually our plan is to get all the furniture used or second-hand or whatever, and we have already found sofa which has been already delivered here and put together, and we actually got it for free and we only had to pay for the delivery, which is super cool. So I'm very thankful to the person, and yeah, I guess I was just lucky. But anyway, I really like it, and that's our initial plan, to get everything used or secondhand or whatever, because I believe that there is no need to purchase everything brand new. Of course, some people like to do that, but I have never been sure of how long I'm going to live here, and just in case if we are moving sometime to another apartment, or I don't know, to another country, so it just simply makes everything more difficult, and it's not worth it to spend loads of money on furniture, it's just furniture, it just sits there. But anyway, yeah, this is our living room and that's how it looks. Like, it's one side of this huge room, and here in the middle we have kitchen. We have this fancy table which will fit in my YouTube kitchen and looks kind of similar to my old apartment as well. And here we have all the like kitchen furniture, I don't know. But yeah, there is oven, fridge and freezer as well. And if we simply go further into this huge room, there is like a dining area where I'm planning to get some table or something like that. And here we have a balcony, but it's not that pleasant weather today, so I guess I'm not going to take you outside. But yeah, during summer I guess it will be super nice just to chill outside and yeah, have a tea or coffee in the morning outside. And here is our main bedroom, which is quite spacious as well. And here we have a built-in wardrobe, which is super huge, and it's nice because we don't have to buy that one either. And here, if we go through the hallway where we have a main entrance, on the right side there is a bathroom where we have a huge mirror, which I love already. And it's just simply cool. I have never had huge mirrors in the bathroom, so that's nice and I love it. And here is our shower as well. And on the other side we have second bedroom, which we are planning to make into computer room, which is something we already had in our previous apartment in the UK. So basically this room will stay in the same function, if I can say so. But yeah, today I'm expecting some more deliveries. There will be my washing machine, which is going to be delivered to this place, I don't know, in like 1 hour or something. But yeah, also that one we found used, because I don't know, I never imagined in my life that I will have to buy washing machines or stuff like that, and I don't know, it's just one of those things you don't really want to buy. So yeah, in some way I managed to find the used one on Facebook Marketplace, which is basically my favorite place on the internet at the moment, where I'm just searching for all the furniture there. And yeah, we found that one used as well, so it's a little bit cheaper than if we would buy new one. And also it's going to be delivered here like pretty soon. But yeah, all of the rest furniture we are also going to look up somewhere which is going to be second hand or so. But we also ordered some things from the IKEA, which is bed and mattress, and I think some sofa table as well, because we simply wanted to have something already, and just to be sure that okay, we will have a place where we can sleep. And yeah, so that part is sorted as well. And yeah, also that one is going to be delivered here today, so we don't have to worry about that one as well. And yeah, it's just that with bed and mattresses and those kind of things, it's sometimes a little bit difficult because furniture is most times super big, and not everyone has a car, and not everyone is willing to deliver stuff, so it's not that easy if you want to purchase like big things. But yeah, so those are going to be delivered here. And yeah, basically that's it. This is how our apartment looks. And yeah, I'm super excited to get it all sorted and decorated, and to make everything in a way which we like the most, and just simply to make this place as our new home, because yeah, it's been quite hectic this last month. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to have a normal wardrobe where I can put all my clothes in, and I don't have to live from my luggage or anything like that. But yeah, I'm super happy and excited, and I'm looking forward to finally start filming some recipe videos again, because I haven't done that for a quite long time. And yeah, I hope you're missing some recipes as well. But yeah, this is a short goodbye from me for a while, and I will be back soon with some new recipe videos, or perhaps some Copenhagen tour videos, or I don't know, whatever. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye!